Lee from Grand Bay, Alabama has a question about a drip pan.
It's for his ice machine.
Oh.
All right. Lee writes, would it be okay for me to drain into the catch pan under my water heater from my ice machine? It wouldn't stand there long. It's, no more than an inch. It only takes less than an inch before it starts draining, he says. And the ice machine doesn't produce that much water, he says. So I don't want to damage my water heater by letting water sit in there. What are your thoughts on doing this?
In theory, you could actually do it if it's draining somewhere and it's just an ice maker. The problem is sitting the water heater in any kind of water on a regular basis is a really bad idea, especially with gas water heaters, but with any of them, because it's going to rust the bottom out. That's just the bottom line. So I would tell you it's probably not a great idea, but if you could find a way to tee into that drain line without putting it in the pan itself and just get a little more work, not too much, then as long as it drains positive, it should not back up in that pan unless you have a clog, which actually could help you from backing up into your ice maker. You could rig something up that would work, but I would not drain it just into the pan and let the legs of that water heater sit in the water.
There you go. You got a question? We can help you just like that. It's cool answers to dripping questions. Just send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. We'll answer it like these videos over here.